घर बैठे अब आप भी बन सकते हैं रिपोर्टर। क्या आपके घर के आसपास राजनीति माहौल है या फिर कोई प्रदर्शन कर रहा है या आप खुद कोई लड़ाई लड़ने के सपने देख रहे हैं? अगर आप एंड्रॉयड या स्मार्टफोन यूज़ करते हैं तो अपने इलाके की खबर हम तक पहुंचाएं 9002135555 पे और बन जाए न्यूज़ 24 इंडिया के रिपोर्टर। India will be largest market for LPG by 2030 will beat China. India can become the world largest cooking gas market by 2030, overtaking China in the LPG residential area market. Research and consultancy company Wood Milken said this is in the report that increase in liquefied petroleum gas demands in household will continue to increase. It is projected that to reach 3.4 million tons by 2030 with an annual cumulative increase of 3.3%. The reason for this will be increase in the average family income, increasing urban population in the long run, the dependence of fuels, including wood and other smoke releases. Union Minister Smriti Irani target Rahul Gandhi, says he is arrogant. While targeting and slamming Rahul Gandhi, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, Smriti Irani said that he is so arrogant that it seems 130 crore people of the country are under his family. She understands the distraction of Rahul Gandhi that the money under the scheme released by government has gone to the poor account. No commission agents and middlemen are there. Therefore, when they hit the road in support of middlemen, the country is not surprised. Their ego is so high that it feels Twitter handles mentioned that India is Indra and Indra is Priyanka. They are living in such arrogance and confusion, so the country has left them behind. Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju sanctioned ₹5 lakh each to two needy sportspersons. On Tuesday, the Sports Ministry Kiran Rijiju has announced financial help of ₹5 lakhs to boxers Sunil Chauhan and his brother Neeraj Chauhan, as their father has lost their job due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Considering the hardship they are facing, Sports Minister sanctioned financial assistance to the Uttar Pradesh athletes under the Pandit Dayal Upadhyay National Welfare Fund for Sportspersons. Indian Foreign Minister Jaishankar says we want a global system based on rules. Indian Foreign Minister Jaishankar targeted China at the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue or Quad's second ministerial meeting held in Tokyo without naming China. Amid the border dispute between the two countries, Jaishankar said that we are committed to the global order based on rules, territorial integrity, respect for sovereignty and the peaceful settlement of dispute. He also said that the event of this year have shown how it is imperative for like-minded countries to deal with challenges. Chhattisgarh becomes first state in the country to serve consumer with Peacock electricity app. Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel today launched new feature of More Electricity app of CSPDCL from CM House. Now Chhattisgarh is the first state in the country where the Peer Bijli mobile app has been launched by the electricity distribution company to provide consumer with home-based benefit of electricity services. Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel appreciated this effort of CSPDCL for this. He said that consumer will greater benefit from it. Power consumer can avail more than 90% of services of electricity distribution company at home through this app. This app will also prove to be helpful for more problems related to electricity.